Everyone thinks the best-selling Rice Krispie treats are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Quaker Rice Cakes Chocolate Crunch. Quaker Rice Cakes Chocolate Crunch really caught my eye with its unique chocolatey flavor. At a reasonable price point, it's a delicious twist on a classic treat. If you're after something that satisfies your sweet tooth without the guilt, this is worth a serious look. This treat is not only tasty, but it's also gluten-free, which is a big win for those with dietary restrictions. Each serving has only 60 calories and packs in 10 grams of whole grains, making it a light snack option that doesn't compromise on flavor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Enjoying a guilt-free snack can help you avoid sugary cravings without sacrificing taste. Plus, with over 5,000 sales last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the chocolate flavor being a bit artificial. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a healthier Rice Krispie treat option that's tasty and light, the flavor is definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're searching for a low-calorie snack that satisfies your cravings. Skip this one if you're looking for something more indulgent or homemade. Now, if the Quaker Rice Cakes artificial flavor bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for your special events.
Product number 2. 24 pieces Rice Krispie treat boxes. The 24 pieces Rice Krispie treat boxes from SL Sheet Pack are a must-have for anyone planning a party. Priced at just $7.90, these clear boxes really caught my attention with their practical design. If you want to impress your guests with beautifully presented treats, this is worth a serious look. These boxes are not just for storage, they elevate your treat's presentation. Each box fits a single Rice Krispie treat and keeps it fresh while letting your delicious creations shine through. The transparent design is perfect for showcasing your hard work, whether it's a birthday party or a wedding. Plus, with over 200 purchases last month, it's clear that people are loving these boxes. Now, some users have mentioned that the boxes can be a bit tricky to assemble, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes super easy and worth the effort for that polished look. This is perfect for you if you're throwing a party and want to look professional with your treats. Skip this if you prefer simple, no-fuss packaging that doesn't require assembly. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for showing off your treats.
Product number 3. 35-pack Rice Krispie Treats boxes. The 35-pack Rice Krispie Treats boxes by MGWOTH are another fantastic option for party planners. At just $9.99, these boxes come with 35 sticks, making it a great value. If you need something that adds flair to your treats while keeping them fresh, this is worth a serious look. Crafted from food-grade plastic, these boxes ensure that your treats stay safe and delicious. Each box has a hole for the included sticks, making it perfect for packaging everything from Rice Krispie treats to cake pops and brownies. Plus, these boxes are designed to make your treats look irresistible. With over 100 sales last month, it's clear that they're making waves. Now, some people have pointed out that you need to peel off a protective film before using them, which can be a bit annoying. Here's the thing though, once you do that, they're crystal clear and look great, so it's a minor hassle for such a nice presentation. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and want to impress your guests with beautifully packaged treats. Skip this if you're looking for something more straightforward without any assembly. Now, if you're looking for something that simplifies the entire process of making treats, check out this next product.
Product number 4, MG Woth Rice Krispie Treats Making Set. If you're really into making treats, the MG Woth Rice Krispie Treats Making Set is a game changer. Priced at $18.99, this all-in-one kit grabbed my attention because it simplifies the entire process. If you're looking for a way to easily create and package your treats, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 3 silicone molds and 35 clear boxes, making it super convenient for baking enthusiasts. The molds are designed for repeated use and help create perfectly shaped treats every time. Plus, since everything is included in one package, it saves you time and keeps your kitchen organized. With 50+ sales recently, it's definitely catching on. However, some users mentioned that the molds can be a bit tricky to clean. I'll be real with you. While they might require a little extra care, the ease of making uniform treats outweighs that small inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you love baking and want a comprehensive set that covers all your bases.
Skip this if you prefer traditional methods and don't want to invest in molds. All right, that brings us to our last product, which is more of a fun snack option for those who love unique flavors.
Product number 5, Want Big Shelly Rice Cracker. Want Big Shelly Shenbai Rice Cracker is a unique twist on the classic treat. It's gluten-free and made without cholesterol, which caught my eye. If you're looking for a crunchy snack that's a bit different from traditional Rice Krispie treats, this is worth a serious look. These rice crackers are baked, not fried, and have a delightful sugar glaze that adds just the right amount of sweetness. They're perfect for stacking straight from the package, and since they're vegetarian-friendly, they cater to a wide audience. Plus, it's the #1 Asian rice cracker in Hawaii, hinting at its popularity. That said, some people might find the sugar glaze a bit too sweet for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy sweet and crunchy snacks, this might just hit the spot, despite any complaints. This is perfect for you if you want a unique crunchy snack that stands out from the typical options. Skip this if you prefer classic flavors without the added sweetness.
We've got the Quaker rice cakes for a guilt-free snack, the SRH pack and MGW treat boxes for beautiful presentations, the MGW making set for baking enthusiasts, and the Want rice cracker for a unique snack experience. Each of these has its own strengths depending on your needs. Choose wisely and enjoy your Rice Krispie treats.